Hi, I know I haven't made a video in like months. Actually, yeah, months. But hi! I hope everyone is having a good day today. And what's the point of a good day if you can't even survive it? Anyways, that's all I really wanted to say. But another thing that I was trying to say is that what's the point of me making videos anymore if the last time I posted was 3 or 4 months ago? I don't remember. So I might as well just stop making videos and delete them all because I don't even have the time. I have so much homework to do. I have presentations. I have math I need to do. I have tests. And everything's just coming at me so fast that I don't know what to do anymore. But anyways, that's just all I wanted to say. And I hope you all have a very good weekend.